Strange kind of a dead tree. Look, I don't know what is this. I don't know what is that. It's kind of hard. But this tree is dead tree. See? You can see here in this side too. Not only that one there in this side. You see? In that side. See that one? See that one, guys? Okay. Hello viewer, how are you everywhere in the world? I just have a new video for you, and if you like to comment what kind of thing is it, this one in the tree is kind of hard. See? Not the only that one in here too. That one. This one with the little thing, I think the small bird is making a hole on it. Not only that one. See, that one is another hole. And this is another one here. See? It's kind of big, right? See that hole in there? I see that one. I think the bird is doing that. The small bird. And I will show you the up to the point up on the trees. See that one? It's kind of cute, but I don't know what kind of the name of that mushroom. It's not mushroom. There we go. I will show you guys up to the trees. See, I will show you. See that one up to the tree, and see, this one is the trees here. There's a birch tree, but this tree is dead. And this one grows again. God is amazing. The nature is really amazing. Can create this kind of things in the tree. I don't know, like a mushroom. It's not exactly mushroom, but I never seen this one in my life. That's why I show you guys, so you can tell me. See? There you go. It's amazing that the nature create these things. God creation is amazing.